So how did he protect himself? Because he was thrown to poisonous snakes, and elephants were crushing him under his feet, and the Rakshas were trying to kill him with spears, and they covered him with. And if you read in, there's one shastra by Vaishampayana Vyas. It's called Hari Bhakti Sudodaya. That's Sanskrit, but it's also English and other languages. Hari Bhakti Sudodaya by Vaishampayana Vyas, not the other Vyasadeva Bhagavatam. So there he has one chapter, Prahlad Charitra. He has another chapter, Dhruva Charitra. He has another chapter, Ashwat Briksha Mahima. And another chapter, like this. So there he's talking about the story in the Shringadev. And all little bit variation then from Bhagavatam. Because Bhagavatam is summary. Because the whole emphasis of Srimad Bhagavatam is to bring us to Vrindavan, which is 90 chapters of the Bhagavatam. There's 300 and some chapters in the Srimad Bhagavat, and almost 1/3 is 10th canto, because of the ras. This is the sara, the rasa sara of the Bhagavatam, 10th canto. So there in the Bhagavat, he's saying, because I had this question myself, because obviously, he wouldn't have an Nrsinga Kavacha because Nrsinga had not advented yet. He had not appeared yet. And when he's describing the Navadha Bhakti, he doesn't say Nrsinga Smaranam. He says Vishnu Smaranam. And Vishnu means the Chaturbhuj Narayan, Vishnu of Vaikuntha, and Vishnu also means the Dvibhuj Krishna, Vamshidhari, Vansuri, Sri Krishna Damodar Madhav. Because in many places in the Bhagavatam it's using the word Krishna, but it's using the word Vishnu, but it means Krishna. 10th canto, chapter 33, verse 39, describes the benefit of hearing the Srimad Bhagavatam. Ridrogam kamam, achirena, virunoti satam. Achirena, very quickly, a materialistic person, a Vishayi, sense enjoyer, us, the everyday man and woman of the Kali Yuga. The main disease in the Kali Yuga is kam, lust. Lust means basic angasanga. Angasanga means prayog. Prayog means man-woman combining, mitun. This is the ultimate meaning of kam, lust, lusty affairs, men and women. But kam means itcha, desire. And now you see in Kali Yuga with a cell phone and internet and Amazon and online ordering and delivery and this and that, unlimited ananta koti itcha, ananta koti desires, kam. Oh, I want this, and I want that, and I can get this, and I get it online, and this and that. Oh, this special French face cream, I can get it in Vrindavan, delivered to me. Wow. They're all crazy. So everyone just desires are just flying out of them like, anything. So this is all Kali's arrangement to totally cover avaranika shakti. Avaran means to cover. Avaranika Shakti. Maya, one power of Maya, is covering everyone in Bulgaya, Bhagavan Bulgaya. Dharmart Kam Moksha, Moksha Bulgaya, Dharm Bulgaya. Only money, art and kam, boss. Get money, enjoy. So there it says, Vikriditam, in that 10th canto of Bhagavatam, chapter 33, verse 9, Vikriditam Brajabadubir Chavishnum. Vikriditam Brajabadubir Chavishnum. So it says Vishnu, literally it says Vishnu, Vikriditam means like Krita, Jal Krita, Rati Krita, Rasa Krita. Krita means lila, enjoyment. It says Vikriditam Brajabadubir Savishnum. It's saying Vishnu, this 10th canto Ras Lila is about Vishnu enjoying with the Brajavadu. Prakriditam Brajavadu. Vrajavadu Bir Cha Vishnum. Vishnu is Chaturbhuj Narayan, Vaikuntha. And he's enjoying with the gopis. We created him Vrajavadu. Vrajavadu means the young married brides, Vrajavadu means the young married brides of Vrindavan. So obviously Vishnu in that verse means Krishna. So when Prahlad Maharaj is saying, Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam, like this, he's not saying the Shringanarari Smaranam. Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadishari. So how did Prahlad Maharaj protect himself? In the very same 7th canto describing all the Rakshas and demons and mountains and throwing them off mountains and trying to burn them up with Holika. And Holika is a sister of Hiranyakashipu and she got burned up. Taking him through fire, all the elements. With all the elements, they tried to use all the elements. Bhumi, Rapo, Nalo, Vayu, Kama, all the elements they tried to destroy Prahlad by fire, by water, by earth. Big, big mountains. They threw mountains on top of him. And then they tied all rocks around him and iron chains and threw him in the water so he would drown in the water. And they took him through fire, then wind, and then so Adi Bhotika Klesh, Adi Daivaka, and snakes and Rakshas. And what was he doing to protect himself? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Good idea. That's what we would do. Whatever happened. But the Bhagavatam says, Bhagavan Akila Atman Yukta Atman. Which is, it's explaining that what he was doing all the time, the Bhagavatam says Prahlad was doing meditation, smaranam. It says, Bhagavan Akila Atman. What does this mean? Bhagavan Akila Atma. That Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Narayan, Antaryami, Vishnu, he is the Atma, the soul of Akila, of all the souls. There's Atma Paramatma, there's Jivatma, then there's Antaryami, Vishnu in the heart, side by side. So Bhagavan, the soul of all souls, Yukta Atman. Yukta Atman. This is very much like yoga or Patanjali. Doesn't sound much like bhakti. These concepts of Akila Atman, Yukta Atman, Namo Narayan, it's Tattvamasi, Ekatva. Ekatva means one. I am Narayan, Narayan is me. I am God, God is me. I am God, God is me. I am Narayan, Narayan is me. Yes, I slipped my mind. Thank you. That's what I wanted to say. I wanted to say, but thank you. Aham Brahman, I am the Brahman. So, my Atma, your Atma, Eki. But we know that